Hi everyone, welcome to Anas Academy. This video is so exciting for YouTuber. Let's go to the video.
Pentax K-70 18 to 55mm lens kit black, APS-C. 24.24 effective megapixel, APS-C AA filter-less CMOS sensor, with ISO from 100 to 04800. Dustproof and weather-resistant with in-body, senior, shake reduction mechanism. Vari-angle LCD monitor with night vision red light LCD display. Built-in Wi-Fi for use with the Image Sync app. Pixel shift resolution with motion correction AA filter simulator. Moire reduction using senior unit and pixel shift resolution with motion correction products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter. For use in your destination, please check compatibility before purchasing.
I hope like this video. So like the video, subscribe channel. Bye bye.